County, Illinois. Southeastern Jackson.
Until 7:30 p.m. At 6:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Trail of Tears State Park, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Train spotters reported this storm just snapped a tree as it moved just north of Jackson, Missouri. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Anna, Jonesboro, Cobden, Ware, McKenna, and Alto Pass. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Jackson and Union. The National